Hey guys, it's me, Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. So if you saw my video last week, I did a first impressions video on the new Skims Cozy Collection. So I've had them for about a week. Absolutely love them. They are hands down my most favorite pair of pajamas slash loungewear. And when I tell you I lived in these bad boys for the entire week, I am so not lying. So I figured it was time to take them off and wash them. And that was when I discovered that these bad boys are hand wash only. Now, I don't remember seeing that on the website because I'm gonna be honest with you, had I saw that, I probably would not have purchased them because your girl is lazy. I don't hand wash anything. I have never hand washed anything in my entire life. So the lazy person in me decided that I'm going to try something else. Plus I figured this would be a great opportunity to do this video because I know a lot of you guys had placed orders. You didn't get them in the first round, but you'll probably be getting them soon. And you'll probably be wondering how to wash them too. So I'm gonna show you guys how I wash them, and let's all take a moment to say a prayer that I don't jack up these $300 pajamas because I'm gonna be upset. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using and then I'll walk you through how I'm doing it. So let's get started. So considering that I literally lived in these bad boys for a week, they actually held up pretty good. They are still very soft. There's no pilling on them. And they've just really held together really well. So what I am going to do is, my washing machine actually has a delicate cycle to them. So I am going to use, I picked up some Woolite because it says that it's for delicate fabrics and it'll make your clothes continue to look new and last longer. So we're gonna give this a try. And then I also picked up a mesh laundry bag, and I am going to put all of the items in this bag so that when they are actually in the washer and they're tumbling around, they won't be loose and get stuck on to things and stuff like that. So I'm hoping that a combination of using a delicate cycle with the Woolite and a laundry bag will help these from getting messed up. If not, my next video will be a GoFundMe video so that you guys can help me replace these bad boys. Just kidding, but let's get started and see how this is gonna work out.
Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time, the thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did.
Okay, so I just heard the washer beep to let me know that it's done. So I'm gonna pull them out, take them out of the mesh bag and take a look at them, and hopefully we'll be looking at nice clean pajamas. If not, you guys are about to see a grown woman cry on camera. Okay, so I just got them out of the washer. They smell so good. Let's see what they look like. They spun out pretty well, so they're not wet, super wet. They're just a little damp. And I haven't quite decided if I'm going to put them in the dryer or if I'm gonna let them lay flat. But let's see here. Where is the shirt? Here is the shirt. And it looks like everything came out perfect. No issues at all. Perfect. So it doesn't look like it shrunk. It definitely is not stretched out or anything. I think having it in the bag probably really helped. Here, let me lay it flat on the bed so you can see that way. Yeah, so it looks like having it in the bag may have been what really helped it out. But see, it's not stretched out at all. And the fabric still looks really good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I think I am gonna throw it in the dryer. I'm gonna throw it in the dryer on probably like tumble dry, because it does say you can dry it. Okay, you guys, so they have been in the dryer for a really long time. Like, I want to say almost like an hour and 15 minutes on air dry. These things hold a lot of moisture. So I didn't want to dry them like all the way 100% because I didn't want them to shrink. So they're a little bit damp. I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to lay them flat overnight, and then I will try them on in the morning for you guys so that you can see what they look like, because they still are a little damp. Yeah, see, the pants are still a little wet, especially in the waist area, but they look like they actually came out perfect. They did not shrink. They are still super soft. Oh my gosh, they're so soft. And they smell really good. So yeah, I think that this was an absolute success. So if you are purchasing these, feel free to disregard the hand wash only, because ain't nobody got time for that. I know I don't have time for that. If you guys have the time for that, then kudos to you, but I ain't got that kind of time. So just go ahead, wash them, use the bag. I think that's probably what helped the most in this situation, was the bag, because then it kept it from rubbing up against everything. You know, one thing I did want to address is, I know I've watched a couple YouTube videos and read a couple blogs, and I've heard a couple people complain about them shedding. Now, I haven't had any issues with it shedding at all. If you look, well, I was wearing a sweater earlier that was white, so that's why I have some stuff over it. But this is like a blush color, and it does not come off at all. The people who I have seen complaining about the shedding have purchased the color that was bone. So I don't know if maybe it's the bone color that sheds, but the blush, I've had zero problems with it shedding. And like I said, I lived in these for practically a week. And the robe, the pants, the top, none of it has shed at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay these flat, and then I will be back and we will check on them in the morning, and I will do a try on for you guys so you can see how they turned out. Okay, so I will see you guys in the morning. All right, you guys, they're out of the dryer. They came out absolutely perfect. They fit the exact same way that they felt, you know what I mean, before I washed them. If you look down towards the bottom here, they did not, where's my camera person pointing down towards the bottom. If you look towards the bottom here, you see that they didn't shrink at all. So they actually came out really good. I'm 100% happy with them. So you guys, the takeaway here is, do not waste your time trying to hand wash these, because I can tell you, they hold so much freaking water that if you were to sit here and try and drain these or wring them out with your hand, I really think that you would really mess them up, because you would be wringing them to try and get the water out. And if you didn't wring them and you just laid them flat, then they would take like days to dry. It ended up taking almost an hour and 45 minutes just to dry in the dryer, okay? So save you guys some time and throw these bad boys in the washer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, please, so that I can continue to make videos for you guys. And make sure you turn notifications on, all right? Again, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.